Are you puzzled about the perfect turmeric dose for your daily routine? Well, today, we're breaking it down and serving up the ultimate guide on turmeric dosage. Get ready to spice up your health knowledge, because we've got the scoop. Let's dive in. The appropriate dosage of turmeric can vary depending on several factors, including your age, overall health, and the reason you are taking it. Here are some general guidelines for turmeric dosage. Number 6. Ground turmeric. When using ground turmeric as a spice in your cooking, you have the flexibility to incorporate it into a variety of dishes. Turmeric can add a warm, earthy flavor and a vibrant yellow color to your culinary creations. Whether you're seasoning vegetables, making curry, or adding it to rice or soups, there's no strict dosage to follow. Start with a small amount, such as a teaspoon, and adjust according to your taste preferences. Gradually experimenting with different recipes and quantities of turmeric can help you discover the right balance that complements your dishes while providing potential health benefits associated with this flavorful spice. Number 5. Turmeric Supplements. When considering turmeric supplements, it's important to choose high-quality products from reputable manufacturers. Turmeric supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and powders, and they may contain different concentrations of curcumin. The recommended dosage of 500 to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin per day can be achieved through these supplements. However, individual tolerance and response to curcumin may vary, so it's advisable to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it if necessary. Number 4. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea is a delightful and soothing way to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. To make turmeric tea, you can use either fresh turmeric root or ground turmeric. Simply boil water and add a teaspoon of ground turmeric or a few slices of fresh turmeric root. Let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can enhance the flavor by adding a touch of honey, lemon, or ginger. Starting with 1 cup of turmeric tea a day is a common practice, but you can adjust the frequency based on your preference and how your body responds. Many people find turmeric tea to be a comforting and convenient way to harness the potential health benefits of turmeric while savoring its unique flavor profile. Number 3. Golden milk. Golden milk, also known as turmeric latte, is a popular and delicious way to consume turmeric. This warm and comforting beverage is made by mixing turmeric with milk, whether dairy or plant-based, and often includes other complementary spices like black pepper, cinnamon, and ginger. The combination of turmeric and black pepper is particularly noteworthy because the black pepper's compound, piperine, can enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Starting with 1 cup of golden milk per day is a common practice, and it can be enjoyed as a soothing bedtime drink or a relaxing morning ritual. Golden milk not only offers potential health benefits, but also provides a flavorful and aromatic experience that can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Are you wondering how to make turmeric milk? So, this video is for you. Check it out. Number 2. Turmeric for specific conditions. If you're considering using turmeric for specific health conditions, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and approach. Turmeric has been studied for its potential benefits in various areas, such as reducing inflammation, alleviating joint pain, and supporting digestive health. However, the effectiveness of turmeric can vary from person to person, and it's crucial to ensure that it complements your existing treatment plan and doesn't interfere with any medications you may be taking. Number 1. Bioavailability Enhancement. Combining turmeric with black pepper, specifically its active compound piperine, is a practical and well-documented strategy to enhance the absorption and bioavailability of curcumin, the primary active compound in turmeric. Piperine has been shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, making it a valuable addition when using turmeric for its potential health benefits. This combination is often referred to as turmeric with black pepper or curcumin with piperine. You can incorporate black pepper into your turmeric-based recipes, whether in cooking or making beverages like golden milk or turmeric tea, to maximize the therapeutic potential of turmeric. This synergy between turmeric and black pepper highlights the importance of not only what you consume, but also how you consume it to unlock the full benefits of this potent spice. Health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, a spice derived from the root of the curcumin plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, particularly in South Asian cuisines. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its potential health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits associated with turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent and may help reduce chronic inflammation, which is believed to be a contributing factor in many chronic diseases. Antioxidant activity. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, potentially reducing oxidative stress and cell damage. Joint health. Some studies suggest that turmeric may help alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Digestive health. Turmeric may promote healthy digestion by stimulating bile production and reducing symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Heart health. Curcumin may have a positive impact on heart health by improving endothelial function, reducing blood pressure, and lowering the risk of heart disease. Brain health. Some research indicates that curcumin may support brain health by increasing brain levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is associated with cognitive function and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that curcumin may have anti-cancer properties and could potentially help prevent or slow the growth of certain types of cancer cells. Skin health. Turmeric has been used in skincare products for its potential to reduce skin inflammation, lighten scars and pigmentation, and promote a healthy complexion. Weight management. Curcumin may aid in weight management by supporting metabolism and reducing fat tissue growth. Mood and mental health. Some research suggests that curcumin may have a positive impact on mood disorders, such as depression, by modulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. Thank you, guys, for watching.